Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking the right kit: watercolor pens, 140 lb paper, a round brush, and clean water. First, test each pen, scribble then touch the ink with a wet brush to see pigment strength. This tells you how much water to use. Once done, lay a light pencil sketch and choose one focal area. Make your first wet-on-dry wash there. It defines value and temperature. Make sure to keep strokes confident but spare, because those first marks guide the whole piece. You move into layering. Apply thin washes first, working light to dark so pigments don't overwhelm. Once the initial wash is dry, add subsequent layers for depth. Drying between layers prevents unwanted blooms. Use wet-on-wet when you want soft transitions, and wet-on-dry for sharper edges. If you need to lift pigment, blot with a 1/2 dry brush or a tissue while pigment is damp. Make sure to adjust water ratios on the palette, more water for glazes, less for saturated color, and blend with deliberate brushwork. You finish by refining edges and adding small details with a low water, controlled stroke to maintain crispness. For highlights, lift pigment while damp or reserve paper using masking fluid early on. Once satisfied, consider a light fixative test on scrap before sealing the original, since fixatives can alter sheen. If colors turn muddy, act quickly. Lift with a clean damp brush, dilute and blot, or gently scrape dried spots with a blade. Then allow to dry and correct with
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.